Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix YouTube comments which are not showing. For example, YouTube comments are not showing your YouTube app, then you can fix by the following methods. First of all, you have to search for YouTube on your Play Store, and you have to update your YouTube app as many bugs and errors are solved in latest updates of the YouTube. If the problems persist, then you have to again open the YouTube app and click on your profile on YouTube. Make sure that you are logged into YouTube by your Google account, as sometimes comments are not shown when you use guest mode. If the problem is again, then you have to turn off restricted mode, because many comments are turned off because of restricted mode. If the problems occurs again and again, then there is another solution for this fix. For this, you have to go to your settings and open your apps. In apps, you have to search for the YouTube app. After you have searched for YouTube app, you have to open the YouTube app, as you can see in the video. If you have opened your YouTube app, then you have to clear cache of your YouTube app, which will be easily cleared by clicking on storage and clicking on clear cache. This method will be different according to your smartphone device. Hope this fix works. If it doesn't work, then you can also try by restarting your device, or turn it off and again turn it on, so that your problem can be solved. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos.